Hi, my name is Brian Vandermeer. I'm with the University of California Agriculture and Natural Resources in San Diego County. And today I want to talk to you about our hot water treatment system for plants. And the basis of this system would be you can treat plants instead of with pesticides. You can use hot water to kill insects and pests on your plants. So it's a pretty neat system. It was developed by Arnold Hara in Hawaii, University of Hawaii, and so we give credit to him. And this is a joint project between UC San Diego down here and UC Merced, the engineering department up there. So we're going to get started and show you the components and just how it works and give a little demonstration. All right, this unit was originally designed to be a mobile unit, so we built it on a deck over trailer here, and it had easy access to everything we wanted to put, all the components that were needed. So I'm going to go over the components briefly here and explain how their purpose and what we got. Okay, so this here is our cold water tank. It's 300-gallon, just a tote that we were able to pick up, used for the cold water. And this is our hot water tank that we have. It's a 500-gallon water tank. You can see this the insulated pipe. It runs to these two tankless hot water heaters run on propane. These are RU98 units. There's the two of them, and they're combined down and provide the water that go into this large tank. They do not provide enough water by themselves to provide enough water for the unit running the water, so we need to store up that hot water before we can use it in the chamber. Everything is run with a portable generator. It runs the electrical system, it runs the hot water heaters and the pump and our temperature sensor unit that we have. The unit that we use to measure the temperature inside the chamber, there's 4 probes inside. They're spaced evenly between. I take the average of those temperatures to get the average temperature inside the chamber of what we're shooting for. So this just cycles through all 4 of the temperatures, and I just keep monitor those and read them. Okay, we'll just quickly cover the propane. This is a 250-gallon propane tank that we rented. This is way more than we're going to need, but since we're using it so much with the unit, we didn't want to fill them up a lot. We rented this for the unit, and what we have is a propane. Okay, so this is the heart of the system, the place where all the work gets done. It's a 8x10. It's a half a container, shipping container trailer that we bought. So depending on how many plants you have and size, you can use make as big as container as you need for size stuff. Since this is only a demonstration, a proof of concept, a demonstration, we're only using this half-size container. It consists of a bunch of nozzles that apply the hot water to the plants. You can put them on the floor or push in carts or however many plants. And if you have tall plants, you're able to treat them that way. Or if you have, you could, like I said, you can push carts in here and treat multiple levels of smaller plants that way. We did over design the number of nozzles that were used in here. So we do have quite a few, I think over 50 nozzles, but you could probably get by with half that. These are the temperature sensors that we were measuring on the outside. There's 2 here that are up on the front, and there's 2 in the back that measure the temperature, the chamber in there. The key of how this works is to get a temperature inside this chamber at a very specific number. It's almost like an oven. Okay, so for me, the bug, for example, 115 degrees for 8 minutes. So you would put your plants in here, You turn on the water, turn on the system. The temperature in here gradually rises, and as soon as you get the temperature that you're shooting for, it's, in this case we're saying like 115 degrees, then you start your timer on the 8 minutes that you're going to treat, and so you know that at that temperature for that duration that it's going to kill the mealy bugs. So you start timing, and at the 8 minutes, after 8 minutes at 115 degrees, then you turn off the hot water, and then you just turn on the cold water, or the lukewarm, the ambient temperature water in here, and that helps cool the plants back down. Prevents the phytotoxicity, the damage of the plants. So since you're heating up the cells of the plants, you want to cool them back down and gradually to prevent any damage that could happen from overheating the plants. So you immediately rinse the plants for about half the time that you treat them with the hot water, and then you're done. The positives of this system is, one, you can treat like this. There's no PPE involved. There's no chemicals involved. There's no toxic, no NOIs, no spray equipment that you need to apply. It's very safe. You can take these plants prior to shipment and just treat them and put them on the truck and ship them away. So it's really to know that you've treated these plants efficiently before, and you know you've taken care of your pests before you ship them is the major advantage of this system. The disadvantage is finding the temperature tolerance of the plant that you're treating. Now there's a lot of plants that are more like poppies or petunias or something that are more fragile and sensitive to heat, that wouldn't do very well in this kind of system. You're talking about woodies and roses or succulents or something that would do better with this type of system in here. So, well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this unit, please feel free to email me. My email is bvandermey, BVANDERMEY @ucanr.edu. And if you have any questions or want some more information on this, feel free to contact me, and if I can answer your questions or show you, if you're in the area, we can show you the system itself. So again, thanks for watching.